Hey Siri, what is a Berliner Weiss beer?
Okay, I found this on the web for what is a Berliner Weiss beer. Check it out.
Cloudy, sour beer of around 5% alcohol volume. Fun facts, folks. Fun facts, folks. Hey folks, welcome back to Brews with Brena. On this week's episode, we are brewing another local beer. It's a sour. Honestly, it's what I had in my fridge. I wasn't gonna film today because it's so hot. My AC broke. I just had a little window unit and I had to unplug all the fans. I literally had to leave the fridge plugged in this time, so whatever. I'm gonna show you how to style a scarf a couple ways. It's kind of been like the hot thing for a little while, and we'll do a little chit chat about what's been going on lately. And yay, I'm excited! So this beer is from Trans Canada Brewery, their Country Sour series, and this one is Apricot Sour. Not gonna lie, I've had tons of these sours. They're great, love them, 4.3%, perfection. I guess they use the same like recipe for every sour. So I feel like every sour has a very similar taste from the Country Sour series. Some are quite different, like, I don't know, like the cherry one was really different. I forget, there's been so many. Oh man, last summer there's a banger one. It was like melon sour, and damn, that one's still like my fave to this day. But let's crack this sucker open. Ooh. Damn, you can see how cold it is, just mist. Ooh. Oh, it smells like a good time, folks. Ooh. What are those candies that were like, that's sour? Oh, Warheads. That's what it is, Warheads, I'm pretty sure. All my 90s babies, you should remember. Of course, it's a sour. I love Country Sour series. I've had this scarf for a little while. It's not necessarily my favorite print. The material is like polyester, and you can see it's like huge. Like, look how huge it is, you know? So this one is perfect for being a head wrap. And you're gonna kind of fold it in half like that. I'm just gonna bring it over. I'm pressing it on my forehead so I get some torque in there. So you wanna make sure this middle piece of the triangle is underneath where you're gonna tie. If you go too fast and quick, I feel like this like rides up on your forehead and like falls off. Or if you go slow, take her easy. And now I'm just gonna double knot it in the back. There's our first look. Oh my gosh. So I started back at work this last week. I also got my vaccine, my second vaccine in the last week. Don't judge me, I really don't care what you think. I did it, so whatever. That's my choice. Leave me alone. And you know what? I was feeling fine. You hear a bunch of rumors like blah, blah, blah. People aren't feeling that good. And I was feeling good. And then I took advantage of my beautiful body and I got drunk. I got drunk on Saturday, stayed up all night. After that, I was done. I felt the cold coming on and I was like, I got invited to go to Gabe's house, my best buddy Gabe. And you know what? I don't know, like, I couldn't do it. I have to work at 8:30 tomorrow, so. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Let's talk about this beer. So 3 IBU, you guys remember what IBU is? If you remember, comment below, let me know. Let's see if you got that trivia down. Light jammy notes of stone fruit blend together with the natural acidity from the kettle sour. That's good, man. They got a good thing going for them. Okay, on to the next style. Okay, the second style we're gonna do, what you're gonna do is actually just take your hair together and throw it in a little bun like that. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna fold this top part down a little bit like that. And now I'm gonna put it on just like that, tying it under your little bun. Take your bun out. The bun is really just to get your hair out of the way. Now just push this bandana back a little bit and I'm just gonna pull out some hair like that. So yeah, there's the second style. Super quick and easy. Yeah, this beer's good. And if you don't like something that's too sour or anything, yeah, put it over ice, man. Like I always say, put the mofo over ice. Do you guys see flies flying around, man? They're just gonna be my special guest for today. Hi, fly, how are you? Okay, third look. Okay, folks, so the final style, we're gonna do a bun. So I wanna leave these front pieces out, so I just grabbed the hair that was behind here, and I'm just gonna brush it up into a bun. I'm gonna fast forward this part, but if you don't know how to do a bun, go to my model off duty tutorial where I show you guys and my best pal Morgan how to do a bun. It's easier to do on a table, but I'm just kind of folding it over like that. Boom, so it's like a long thing. And just wrap it around. So I'm starting at the back, making a swipe, and then coming back and just doing a little knot. Boom, look number 3. I learned that from Inglourious Bastards, by the way. That, super vibing in this look, guys. Don't worry, guys, next week I'm gonna hit you with something that's not sour. Would I buy this beer again? Oh my God, yeah, I'd buy this beer again. This beer, I think I got it in a 8-pack. I love it, it's great. Trans Canada Brewery, they're always popping out new sours, which I love. Bring back the melon sour. Okay, thanks so much for watching, guys. This was a quick frickin' vid. It's hot, it's Canada Day tomorrow. I'm sick, if you can't tell by how nasally I am. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you all next week. Hopefully, unless I get sick again or something.